Managing field jobs shouldn't feel chaotic, yet crowded calendars, delayed updates, and a lack of clear visibility into who's doing what slow everything down. DreamzCMMS brings order to the chaos. Schedule jobs in seconds and assign the right technician with full visibility into availability and workload. Track every job in real time, including status, location, and progress, so managers have clear visibility into who's doing what. Technicians are equipped with a fast, intuitive mobile app for instant job details, step-by-step instructions, notes, photos, and live updates from the field. And the rest of the workflow is also built in, from managing service contracts, accessing on-site inventory, in order to check parts and tools, and capturing digital signatures to lock in accountability. The result? Faster response, fewer errors, and full visibility from dispatch to done. DreamzCMMS makes scheduling smarter, tracking clearer, and field service truly mobile. Ready to manage your field jobs more efficiently?